Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 6. Name words. Let's learn English. Common noun. A common noun is a general name for a person or place.
Proper noun. A proper noun names a specific person or event. They begin with a capital letter.
Shoes.
Nike.
Shirt. Gap.
Coffee.
Starbucks.
Actor.
Chris Evans.
Fast food.
McDonald's.
Girl.
Betty.
Boy.
Matthew and Martin.
Event.
New Year's Day.
Country.
USA.
Food.
Burger.
Dog.
Labrador.
I like to drink Starbucks coffee.
My favorite shirt is Gap.
Betty is a girl.
Matthew is a boy. Martin is a boy. Bert is a dog. Common noun.
A common noun is a general name for a person or place.
Proper noun. A proper noun names a specific person or event. They begin with a capital letter.
Let's say it and write it properly.
I go to St. Peter's Church every Sunday.
I use Muji pen for school.
I buy Uniqlo jacket for winter.
I travel to Singapore every year.
I eat at New York Diner every Friday.
I drive Honda cart to work.
I study at New York University.
I go to Halesworth Hospital for my checkup.
My favorite ice cream is Haagen-Dazs.
I watched the movie The Lion King last month.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Go get your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Classify the following nouns in the word box below, writing each of them in the right column. If it is a proper noun, remember to write it using uppercase or capital in the first letter.
Singapore.
Car.
Jackson.
Saturn.
Honda.
Animal.
August.
Planet.
Girl.
Actress.
Here are the answers.
Singapore.
Jackson.
Saturn.
Honda.
August.
Animal.
Planet.
Girl.
Actress.
Car. Quiz number 2.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Write a proper noun to go with each common noun.
Movie.
Teacher.
Girl.
School.
Cartoon.
Car.
Planet.
Shoes.
Doctor.
Store.
Here are the answers.
Movie. The Little Mermaid.
Teacher. Teacher Nancy.
Girl. Jessica.
School. Harvard University. Cartoon. SpongeBob.
Car. Toyota.
Planet. Mars.
Shoes. Adidas.
Doctor. Dr. Manuel.
Store. Victoria's Secret. Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Rewrite each sentence. Replace each underlined common noun with a proper noun.
For example, she passed the exam.
The answer is Carla passed the exam.
Number 1. He went to the park yesterday.
Number 2. The man at the grocery store was honest.
Number 3. It is the largest planet in our solar system.
Number 4. The family watched a movie.
Number 5. She is my sister.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. Jason went to the park yesterday.
Number 2. The man at the IKEA was honest.
Number 3. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system.
Number 4. The family watched Toy Story 3.
Number 5. Rachel is my sister.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.